Hello again from LASA Tool4 Pro. In this episode, we'll tell you how Tool4 Pro makes maintenance shutdown management easier and enables up to 20% time savings. There will be a significant improvement in safety management. In the special episode, we discuss challenges of traditional methods, mainly due to poor communication, as info on manually updated acknowledgement lists is not real time. At the commencement of Tool4 Pro, these tablets, akin to a tablet, hold historical significance and are part of history. Data transferred in real time. Tool4 Pro is an application that is easy to use and works on both computers and mobile devices, offering functionality with an internet connection. Ease of use guarantees that every individual can utilize the application effortlessly. After the planning, in Tool4 Pro, all maintenance shutdown tasks, including maintenance work, production work, and safety-related work, will be carried out by different parties after the shutdown begins. The task begins by simply pressing the play button on either phones or computers to initiate the work process. It is not necessary for the employee to have phones, because starting and confirming the work can also be done on the control room computer. The employee always has all the required information within the tasks: work schedule, work phasing, work instructions, dependencies impacting the work, necessary protective equipment, and so on. Work cannot commence if there is still a task that needs to be done due to a dependency on it being incomplete. This guarantees the safety of work performances. Individuals also verify if their task hinders others from commencing work or if it is safe to proceed with their own tasks. With Tool4 Pro, individuals know what needs to be done and when. The goal is to facilitate and speed up the completion of work and ensure work safety. Responsibles can track the progress of work in real time without constant calling and messaging. Different views in applications enable getting a quick situational awareness also in the field. This facilitates reacting to the appropriate things in order to maintain control over schedules. When work is better managed, unnecessary delays decrease and time is saved. The production in factories is increasing, and factories are experiencing a growth in earnings. Staff stress decreases when things are more effectively under control. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got ideas on how to manage work in real time with Tool4 Pro and save time. If you are interested, please contact me. We'll return in the next episode. Bye-bye.